So we've stopped at Pokeshaw Rock. I think it's important to the First Nations people. It's a provincial park. I was going to fly the drone here, except for the fact that it's a provincial park and there's like a 40-mile-an-hour wind. So I'm going to take a still photo instead. Looks like the flower pot of West Club. Lost my hat.
Miscou, because that's what Miscou means, lowland and humid.
Okay.
It's a
peat
mixed
moss.
name.
It is
And
peat.
it turns red
Yeah,
because
it's
it's
peat,
never
yeah.
been harvested.
Yeah,
I
but
thought
it's
for
not-
sure it was
it's never
blueberries.
been harvested,
Yeah.
and they won't allow when you go
Good.
to. Well, yeah, I'm glad because the island would be
Right.
gone there.
Yeah.
Wow.
The dust and all that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is spectacular.
It's amazing.
It's starting to have a little red spot.
Yeah, we saw that.
Mid-October, it's
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
the blueberry, where we live in Maine, well, you have blueberries here in
Yeah.
Brunswick as
Yeah.
well, same thing, it's that bright red as the foliage
Yeah.
comes in. Wow, this
And
is
this is
spectacular.
spruce down here. This.
yeah, but it's not really like a woody area.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
just a little bit of that.
Yeah.
So that's why they're not really healthy. Because I've got same type of trees at my house, and they're gorgeous. Like, you know,
Well, the
Yeah.
wind out here, so, yeah.
25 to 30 feet
Right.
high, whatever.
Yeah, this is spectacular.
Are there ever days where you don't let people up here? This is windy.
To be
Yeah.
honest with you, I don't think I ever got one day
Wow.
with nobody at all. Is that right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, thanks for your visit.
Yes. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thanks.
Ça a bien été la visite?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Is that your husband at the top?
No.
Oh.
Hey, don't ask questions
No, I
like
just
that.
wondered.
Over both floors.